video, we're going to be doing two things. Number one, we are going to be starting a prop firm trading challenge. And number two is that I'm going to be showing you, especially for people who are asking from Nigeria, how can you actually buy a cheap prop firm? And also, how can you use your Nigerian card or Nigerian payment system to actually buy a prop firm account? It's actually very easy and very straightforward. So the first thing is that we have to choose a prop firm that we're going to trade with. And the prop firm that we're going to be using on this challenge, we're going to be using Equity Hedge. The reason being that Equity Hedge right now provides an affordable challenge. This is not a sponsorship. They didn't pay me to do this. I'm just, I chose them because based on what I want to do, the entry fee is actually very, very cheap and affordable, especially if you are also trying to trade and you don't have like big capital right now and you want to actually trade. I feel like this firm actually provides you a way to actually get started in a more easier and cheaper way. So the website is simply equityhedge.io. You simply go there and then you start a challenge. So I already have an account with them, and what I'm just going to do now, I'm just going to log into the account. So let's go. Now I've logged into the account, and I'm just going to go ahead and choose a challenge. So I just click on this section, choose challenge. Now, when it comes to Equity Hedge has 4 account types, right? So they have the legacy account, they have the Swift, Instant, and Flagship. For me, for this challenge, we're going to be going with a Swift challenge because it is even cheaper than every other account that they actually have. And I'm going to be trading the 2-step. Guys, let me tell you something. Do not trade 1-step account, especially if you are not yet consistently making a lot of money as a trader. Try to go for a 2-step account because 2-step account is just, it gives you a better rules and regulation that you can actually easily pass and all. So we're going to go with the Swift. Now, what are the things about the Swift? For example, the 5K challenge has a leverage of 1 to 30. I think that leverage is enough, especially for me who I'm trading only NASDAQ. You have a max daily loss of 4%, and I think this is actually very, very good. You have a max daily loss of 8%, a max overall loss of 8%. I think that's also very good. You have to trade for at least 2 days before you can pass. Your profit target is 8%, which is really good, meaning that they're giving you access to 8% to make a profit target of 8% in your phase 1, and phase 2 is also 5%. And when you do pass and you get funded and you're on the live account, the profit share they're actually giving you is 80%. And actually that's really, really very nice and very good. So for this challenge, I have already made up my mind that for the public challenge that we're going to be doing, it's going to be a 5K account. So and this is very relatable because let's say you're also just starting out, you can only afford to buy a $5,000 account, which is actually cheap. Right now it is $22. But the good thing is that Equity Edge are running what they call like a discount, like a 50% discount. So I'm going to be showing you how to use the discount code of Equity Edge. So I'm just going to click on buy now. But remember, I'm on the Swift 2-step, and on this page, this is exactly how you're going to know how to check out for it. And if you are from Nigeria, especially, you have to choose the worldwide payment option over here. And then when you choose that, choose your country. If they ask you to actually provide your country, choose your country, Nigeria. Once you've done that and everything is okay, you fill in your invoice information, your billing details. For me, this is my information. It's blurred out anyway. And now for us to continue to check out, there is a coupon code that Equity Edge is currently having right now. It's called Best Year. So I'm going to apply that so that this $22, we can actually get a discount out of it, right? So I'm just going to click apply. Boom, now I'm only going to be paying $11. So that means that now on this challenge, not only are we going to have a good challenge, but we're also getting it very cheaper, right? So now I'm going to pay $11 instead of $22 for a 5K account, a 2-step 5K account. So I'm just going to click all these points and click and agree. And the next thing I have to do, I just need to click buy now. It's going to take me to the payments page, and on the payments page, so on the payments page, honestly, you can pay with your ATM card. Just go ahead. If you have a Visa card or a MasterCard, just go ahead and make payment with that. It's going to work. And then what I actually like using, I just like using this option, which is basically the bank transfer option as in Nigeria. So it's going to give me the option to pay directly in Nigerian Naira accounts. And this is a feature I really like about the company. So, and if you're from other country, you can actually use Visa, or you can even just use crypto to make payments, but for me, I'm going to use Quora. So Quora has 2 options, Quora Mobile Money and Quora Bank Transfer. I always use the first option, Quora Bank Transfer. So you use that option and then you click pay now. So you see pay 11 USD. So what's going to happen on the next Crane is at. Cora is going to convert it to Naira so that we're going to be paying the Naira equivalent of this transaction. So $5,000 account for 14,866 Naira. That is cool. So what I'm just going to do right now is I'm going to click this and I'm going to click on continue. They are going to show me a bank account. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the payments, and then you're going to see. So I have my phone right here. I'm just going to make the payments to the bank account information that has been displayed, and that is what's going to happen. So the bank account, by the way, the account they're showing is just a one-time use alone. It's 31827. So it's a Sterling bank, and then this the normal way you normally make bank transfer in Nigeria. So you just go ahead and do that. The only thing is make sure you transfer exactly the amount that they display, so you don't overpay too much. So I think the payment is almost successful, and then it's almost done. Okay, done. The payment is now done. In a moment now, it's going to reflect on the screen that I have actually made payments. So once it has reflected, okay, see, boom, success, payment completed. Now, Equity Hedge is going to receive the payment, and they're going to actually give me the account information. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to log back into my Equity Hedge account and then see if the account has actually been given to me. All right, so Equity Hedge has issued the new account right there, right now. Another cool thing, I don't know if you can notice it, they also give us a free account. Like, can you see? So basically, not only did we get the 5K challenge account for a discount of 50% off in Nigeria, that was just for 15,000 Naira, they also give us one free account, and this account they actually give is an instant account, a live account, but the rules of the instant account is actually different from the rules of the normal account that I actually bought. So you're also going to get this email confirmation, and this email confirmation just confirms that you have, they have issued the account to you and all, and then you can go back to your account and all, you can start trading it. They also send you the credential, the MT5 trading credential in your email so that you can use it to connect to your MetaTrader 5 and start trading actually. So basically what's left for me right now is actually to start trading. And in the next video, I'm actually going to breaking down how we're going to be trading the challenge, this account, how we're going to be trading it, what is the plan, which pair are we going to be trading, what time are we going to be trading it, and how we are actually going to pass phase 1, pass phase 2, and actually secure a payout from a live account. So if it's pretty straightforward. If you click on the account metrics, you can see the progress of the account. So it's a fresh new account. The target is we need to make $400, right? And then we need to do that, as early as possible, and then we are going to be good. All right, so that's it for now, and I hope that you have actually learned how to use Equity Hedge. So if you actually if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comments, or feel free to also join our Telegram channel. You can always click on the link in the description, and we are always going to respond to each other. Oh, by the way, this is the trade I was taking today, a sell on the Nasdaq, which actually did well. I closed at 1-to-1, but now it's already had 1-to-2.5. Ooh, and I think it's actually going to go to 1-to-1.4, but I'm okay with where I actually close. So anyway, that's it for now. Happy and safe trading, everyone. Bye bye for now. See you on the next video.